tape.
So today we will demonstrate how to replace on electric scooter air tire to solid tire, and for that we have designed a special tool. You see here is a base element. We will install this wheel here carefully. We should position the wires. So now it is fixed, and next we have to install this cone here. The next step is also important. Either you use a special lubricant, or in case if you don't have, just use liquid for dishes. But we do have a special lubricant. Put plenty of it. It helps to slide this tire. So it's done. You can add also a bit on this cone. So let's put this one away. A bit more here. So clean hands. And always you have to check the pattern should be correct to this moving direction, and then you position the tool here. For fixing, you have to rotate it to the clock until it locks, and then you keep from this handle with one hand and start rotating. You see it approaches, and this tire starts to move down. It's also possible to ask someone to help you, so that one person keeps with two hands here and another one rotates this. But it's quite easy, the handle is quite big. So just keep rotating until this tire moves to still the end, till this disc, and then it starts to lift the cone. At some point you should hear some noise, and it should be there. And it's done. So